Welcome to Camden Town, one of London's most vibrant and eclectic neighborhoods. Known for its rich musical heritage and bustling markets, Camden High Street attracts visitors from all over the world. At peak times, this 1 kilometer stretch can see up to 40,000 pedestrians, leading to overcrowding and a less enjoyable experience for both locals and tourists. To address these challenges, Camden Council has approved an ambitious plan to pedestrianize a significant portion of Camden High Street. This trial aims to create a safer and more enjoyable environment by removing motor vehicles from the junction with Parkway and Kentish Town Road, extending past Camden Town Underground Station, up to the junction of Jamestown Road and Hawley Crescent. During this 18-month trial, buses and taxis will be rerouted via Kentish Town Road and Hawley Crescent. To support local businesses, new loading and delivery bays will be installed on adjacent streets, and designated blue badge parking bays will be provided on Buck Street. An exciting aspect of this initiative is the introduction of streeteries, outdoor seating areas repurposed from existing parking spaces and loading bays. These spaces will offer patrons a unique al fresco dining experience, enhancing the street's vibrant atmosphere. Public consultation has played a crucial role in shaping this project. Over 70% of participants expressed support for the pedestrianization trial, reflecting a strong community desire for a safer and more pleasant high street. To ensure the trial's success, Camden Council will monitor various factors, including bus journey times, traffic volumes, air quality, and footfall. This data, along with ongoing public feedback, will inform the decision on whether to make the pedestrianization permanent. Beyond improving pedestrian safety and comfort, this initiative aligns with broader environmental goals. By reducing vehicle traffic, the project aims to lower emissions, contributing to cleaner air and a healthier urban environment. Camden Town has always been a hub of culture and creativity. The pedestrianization of Camden High Street represents a significant step towards preserving its unique character while adapting to the needs of a modern city. If you're interested in exploring Camden Town further, we've created an in-depth walking tour video that takes you through its vibrant streets, iconic markets, and historic landmarks. You can watch it by following the link in our profile. We'd love to hear from you. Have you been there? Do you have a question? Please leave a comment. Creating these moments takes time and dedication. If our videos add a sprinkle of joy to your travels, show some love by liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and staying tuned for more.